Algorand value kind of equivalent to $0.2061 a coin in an extremely enormous manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.2049-0.2111, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.2108 in an unobtrusive way. The change especially was 0.0047, 2.23% in a kind of significant way. Reverse rate, USD to ALGO, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they truly thought. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.22, really most extreme 0.24, least 0.20, exhibiting that the earlier day close, 0.2108 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand figure on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.22, especially most extreme 0.24, certainly least 0.20 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.21, by and large most extreme 0.22, really least 0.20, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand figure on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.22, kind of most extreme 0.24, essentially least 0.20 in an especially significant way. Algorand estimate on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.22, really greatest 0.24, especially least 0.20. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.21, truly greatest 0.22, kind of least 0.20, or so they generally thought. Algorand figure on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.21, sort of greatest 0.22, truly least 0.20, so in multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.21, beautiful most extreme 0.22, by and large least 0.20 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.20, lovely greatest 0.21, especially least 0.19 in an especially huge way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.22, especially greatest 0.24, for the most part least 0.20, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.20, kind of most extreme 0.21, genuinely least 0.19 in a sort of enormous manner. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.21, especially most extreme 0.22, certainly least 0.20, which basically is genuinely critical. Algorand conjecture on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.22, kind of greatest 0.24, fundamentally least 0.20. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.24, most certainly greatest 0.26, most certainly least 0.22, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand figure on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.24, kind of greatest 0.26, truly least 0.22 in a for the most part enormous manner. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $0.24, by and large most extreme 0.26, especially least 0.22, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand conjecture on Thursday. April, 20, cost $0.23, by and large greatest 0.25, sort of least 0.21, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Friday. April, 21, cost $0.21, fundamentally most extreme 0.22, really least 0.20, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Algorand conjecture on Monday. April, 24, cost $0.20, truly most extreme 0.21, lovely least 0.19, which certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 25, cost $0.20, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.21, for the most part least 0.19, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Algorand estimate on Wednesday. April, 26, cost $0.20, extremely greatest 0.21, most certainly least 0.19. USD to ALGO conversion scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 4.8520 coins per $1. So in multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.21, especially greatest 0.22, genuinely least 0.20. Today, S-reach, 4.7371 minus 4.8804. The past day, S nearby, 4.7438, which especially is very critical. Change for now plus 0.1082, plus 2.28%, or so they most certainly thought. USD to ALGO cost figure for in the not-so-distant future in month, so Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.22, genuinely most extreme 0.24, least 0.20 in a by and large huge manner. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 4.545 coins, lovely greatest 5.000, beautiful least 4.167. USD to ALGO forecast on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 4.545 coins, exceptionally greatest 5.000, extremely least 4.167, which for the most part shows that USD to ALGO conversion scale kind of equivalent to 4.8520 coins per $1. So in multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $0.21, sort of most extreme 0.22, truly least 0.20, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost 4.762 coins, really greatest 5.000, especially least 4.545 in a genuinely large way. USD to ALGO forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost 4.545 coins, greatest 5.000, for the most part least 4.167. In multi-week dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, April 3, cost 4.762 coins, by and large most extreme 5.000, exceptionally least 4.545 in a by and large enormous manner. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 4.545 coins, greatest 5.000, really least 4.167 in an exceptionally enormous way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 4.762 coins, sort of most extreme 5.000, genuinely least 4.545, exhibiting that USD to ALGO expectation on Friday. Walk 31, cost 4.545 coins, truly greatest 5.000, truly least 4.167, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.762 coins, especially greatest 5.000, least 4.545, kind of additional appearance how Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.24, by and large most extreme 0.26, really least 0.22, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand figure on Friday, April 7, cost 5.000 coins, truly most extreme 5.263 in every practical sense, least 4.762. By and large further appearance how Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.24, all things considered, greatest 0.26, exceptionally least 0.22, which truly is very huge. In about 14 days USD to ALGO forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 4.545 coins, by and large greatest 5.000